Hello everyone. Today in this video I would like to demonstrate our first product, that is gasifier. We call it Manglam Biomass Gasifier. It has different models, different capacities. So I will just take you through the journey. Okay, so this is a gasifier. This gasifier is of capacity 3 to 4 lakh kilocalories per hour. So we feed the biomass from the top. What I mean by biomass is wood chips, waste wood chips, briquettes, pellets, sawdust. There are different kinds of biomass. It will be fed from the top. This is a reactor. This whole one is a reactor. The gas from the biomass is generated in this reactor. So we feed the biomass from the top, generate the gas, and the gas passes through series of filtration, because this gas is from biomass. Biomass has ash contents, moisture. So we need to pass this gas through a series of filtration. As you can see, the gas passes through water scrubber. The first one over there. So the gas gets cleaned there. Then after water scrubber it comes to cyclone. In this, it gets cleaned. Then it goes to the third filter. You can just move behind and just click this. In this, whatever ash and moisture is there in the gas, it comes out. This is called ash and moisture separator. After this, the gas passes through a blower. You can just come here and shoot. A blower. After this blower, the gas passes to two more filters. These are the two more filters. So this is a gas conditioner, this is a dryer. So whatever moisture is there, it removes. After this, from here the gas goes to the testing point. This is the testing point. Can you just shoot this? So we test the gas here, whether the gas is in proper composition or no, by simply burning it, by simply checking whether the gas is burning or no. After this testing point, the gas moves to the burners. Now the burner can be 5 feet away, 10 feet away, 500 feet away, 1000 feet away. So there are two kinds of burners, manual burners and automatic burners. So now it depends on the application. I will just give you an example. A biscuit industry, a boiler industry, any industry which requires critical temperature will go for automatic burner. Industries like sweets, namkeen will go for manual burner. Okay, so now what we will do is, we will just start the plant, convert the biomass into gas, burn the gas and show you a demonstration. So I will just continue after some time. So we have started the gasifier. This we had explained you earlier. Now we are taking you directly to the burners, to the flame. As I told you, at this point the gasifier ends. This is the flame, the gas burning from the biomass. These are different burners just to demonstrate that smaller one can come, bigger one can come. These are manual burners just to demonstrate. As per the application, automatic burners can also come. As I told you earlier, it depends on the application, whether the application requires automation or manual.
So today I tried my best to explain you the technology biomass gasifier, tried to explain its different components, the live demonstration. So to sum up, there are few things which I need to repeat. There is in this technology there is no emission of smoke, no pollution. This technology saves huge fuel cost, up to 60-65% against different fuels. It can replace diesel, LPG, LDO, FO, direct firing. So it is of great benefit to you. to know more how it can help you in your particular application, whether it is food industry, non-food industry, whatever application is, you can contact us. The numbers and the email IDs are given after this video ends. So to know how we can implement in your particular case, you can contact us. Thank you.